What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here, and today it's very windy and very cloudy, but we have the Supra with the white wheels and we're gonna give it a wash today. I've just driven around one day and it's pretty freaking filthy, so we're gonna shoot Jack's Wax goodness all over that bad boy and really get it looking nice for tonight's activities. So super exciting. My whole family's coming home right now, so we're just gonna cut to the chase and get to the washing. All right, midway check. Check how clean they are now. I even went in all on the barrels and everything. So these are the clean wheels for those of you that hadn't seen them before. And then over here, this I haven't touched yet. Ew. So I don't know, I might have to start hiring mobile detailers again, because dealing with these every single week is gonna be annoying. Let's finish it up. All right, boys, we are done. And the wheels are looking extra spicy, if I do say so myself. I think I did a pretty good job. And as the, I guess the rotors drip, now they're just gonna get dirty again, but looks pretty dang good for me just doing a once over on the car. So now, we got to go to a meet that I've been a VIP for a couple weeks. And we're gonna make the first public appearance with the Supra with the white wheels. So this is gonna be super cool. I hope everybody enjoys it, seeing it in person. And if you don't get to see it in person, stick around, because we may be coming to your city very, very soon. All right, guys, now that we have taken a chill pill and finished the car, it's time to get on the road. But first we gotta wait for Mr. Mike. He's gonna come tag along with us today. And we're gonna have a good time today. So let's wait on Mike and head to the meet. All right, guys, look who showed up. Big Ugly in the house.
Hey, I'm not ugly.
You got any quotes for everybody today?
Live your life to the fullest.
Or what?
Or you're broke.
Oh!
Like some people.
All right, with that being said, let's hop into the Supra, baby. Shut the door, start her up, pop a LaCroix, and hit the road, Jack. We got another real man driving in the roads today. It's starting to rain, but dang, that looks good. Zooming out. Sheesh. All right, guys, we have arrived to the show. Of course, we're a little bit early, so there's not gonna be that many people here, but super cool. Hopefully we can find a good parking spot and get this thing rolling. Alright guys, we made it to the show. As you can tell, we got another DJ situation, so we're just gonna cut to a less musical part of the show.
Hey, Pete.
What's up, what's up? Oh, you got a new camera.
Say what's up.
What's up, what's up? Like my new setup?
That thing's meaty.
Yep.
Check that out. He's Texas 2K ready, baby. Smell that E85. Here comes some Lexuses. Very nice. Got a little carbon fiber hood action, carbon fiber little lip. Ooh, okay, okay. I see you, low boy. Dang. Flex. Oh yeah, baby. We got Nikki in the Evo. Sounds really good. Woo. And look what it is. This could be Thomas.
If you're not poor.
Oh yeah, baby. Got another Supra brother in the house.
Hey, we're waiting on this part of it.
You guys like the silver? I do. This is like the first one I got to ride in that was modified. And then we also got the LS350Z. Sheesh. Yeah, that ain't stock, brother. I got 370 and a Beamer boy. Prelude rolling in on some white wheels. The White Wheel Army. Alright guys, now we're gonna walk around the show and get some cinematic shots. We're gonna put this lens to the test on all these beautiful cars that have showed up today. Let's do it! Got some boys headed out. The Loud and Rowdy CTSV. And then big famous YouTuber in the S chassis. That's a really nice color in person. Very nice. What on earth is this? Someone riced out a Rolls Royce. It's got blue headlights. My goodness, got the Instagram sticker on the back and everything. Alright, we finally got an exotic pulled up. I want this car so bad. R8 V10, baby. He's actually sporting the new R8 wheels. If you guys didn't notice that. Those are on the facelifted ones. V10, baby. Oh no, look who it is. Mike's quaking in his boots right now. Thomas is here.
Back up. Huh? I don't know, but back up so we can back out. Huh?
I have a Sin City sticker.
We don't do the VIP spot, but back up.
We're at Park.
All right, here we go, the car Limbo. I'm gonna mute this part because we're gonna get copyright strikes.
We need y'all to make some room, guys. Let the truck pass. He cleared it. Round 7.
Sinclair,
What's up, man? Wow.
Round 7. Round. He's still round 7. We're about to go to round 8. If he touched it. He touched it. He's out. All right, round 8. Did he just hit the bags on us? I think he did. He cleared it. He's good. I can't see.
We got second place though.
All right, round 8. Round 8.
That looks yummy.
Pork belly slider.
What are you selling today, sir?
Enlargement pills.
Enlargement pills?
Yes, sir.
For problems in the bedroom. Hit up Thomas.
That boy there, flexing on us. All right.
Cocaine too? So,
even with the bags. Yeah.
don't worry, Jake. We got this.
Sorry.
I got one fail.
Once again, if you have not signed up for the 2-step, we need you to sign up.
Today we're selling. We sell condoms too. So.
All right, guys, we're headed out. We watched the car Limbo, watch a couple of the cars roll in. Smash the like button so I can buy an R8. That'd be very, very cool. But we're gonna head out. This is the first debut car meet with the Supra with the white wheels. So if you did like it, smash the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video.